I'll show you how to sharpen scissors using a regular coin. They'll be razor sharp. My grandparents taught me this simple trick. Over time, scissors tend to get dull and even rusty. See? Even a quick test with a plastic bag and a sheet of paper shows they've lost their edge. First, grab some regular toothpaste. It has abrasive properties that work perfectly to clean and prep the metal before sharpening. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste all over the scissors, on both sides and around the screw. Use an old toothbrush to spread and rub the paste into the metal surface. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. This gives the paste time to do its job. Now, take an ordinary coin. Hold it at about a 40-degree angle to the blade and rub it back and forth with steady pressure. Do around 30 strokes, then repeat the same on the other blade. The scissors will regain their original sharpness. They'll easily cut through paper or plastic. This trick saves you money on sharpening tools or buying new scissors. It's a handy home hack worth knowing.